Here we are, YouTube, ready to have a rematch with Gym Leader Brock, the rock type Gym Leader. He leads with Golem. I go for the sword dance. Another sword. Oh, Golem is faster now. Okay. What about another sword dance? He scored a critical hit. Okay. And for some reason he didn't attack now. I go for the earthquake. And Golem is down. He even missed his stone edge. His rock slide. Next one is Relicanth. I go for another earthquake. And the Relicanth is down. He also has an Omastar. Yeah, okay. I go for the earthquake and Omastar is down. Now I'm about to switch out to enough with Gliscor. Let's send out Tauros. He goes for the Aqua Jet, but it doesn't do a lot. I go for the earthquake, which does KO Kabutops. Next one is Rampardos. I go for another earthquake, which does KO Rampardos also. And an Onix. Let's send out Feraligatr. Onix goes for the Sandstorm. I go for the Waterfall. And Onix is down. Let's continue our rematches and have a rematch with LT Surge, the electric type gym leader. He leads with his Raichu. I lead with my Nidoking and I'm going for the Earth Power, which takes Raichu out. Next one is Electivire, another Earth Power, and Electivire is also down. Now he has Electrode. Okay, I'll switch out to Tauros. Electrode goes for the double team. I go for the earthquake and I miss. Okay. Another earthquake, this time it hits and Electrode is down. Magnezone, okay, another earthquake and Magnezone is also down. He also has Manectric. Okay, let's send out Gliscor. I go for the earthquake and Manectric is down. And his last Pokemon is Pachirisu. Okay, I go for another earthquake. And Pachirisu is down. We just beat it LT Surge. Now let's have the rematch with Blaine, the fire type gym leader. He leads with Torkoal. I lead with my Feraligatr and I go for the Waterfall. That does not take Torkoal down. I go for another Waterfall. Torkoal is down, but my Feraligatr is sleeping right now. Camerupt. Okay, I will send out Gliscor. Camerupt goes for the earthquake, but of course misses. I go for the earthquake and Camerupt is down. Next one is Magmortar. I go for the earthquake. Magmortar is down. What about now? Rapidash. Okay, Rapidash. I'll send out Tauros. Rapidash goes for the overheat. It did a lot. Okay, his special attack of course is very low right now. Let's go for the earthquake, which does KO Rapidash. Now Magcargo. I'll switch out to Slowbro. Goes for the Stone Edge. I go for the Surf. Yeah, okay. I go for the Surf and Magcargo is down. And his last Pokemon is Houndoom. Houndoom, okay. Houndoom will go for a Dark type move, I guess. Yes, Dark Pulse. Okay, I go for the close combat and Houndoom is down. We just beat it Blaine.